Okay, so number 9, I know I went all the explanation in the other video about absolute value and how it works. If you want like the simple short route, it's basically you're going to split it into 2 separate problems. All right, and how you split it is you take whatever inside of here and set that equal to plus or minus whatever that value is. So I would set 3x plus 9 equal to positive 11, and then 3x plus 9 equal to negative 11. And that comes from the fact that you can have either 11 or negative 11 inside of that fence post, and then it would be a true equation. Right, and then from there, it's just minus 9, like we talked about in the other video. Both sides divide by 3, so you get 2/3. And then same thing here, minus 9 to give minus 20, and divide by 3. So x would be negative 20 thirds. All right, and that would get you your 2 answers to that equation. So I think to try and help, I made a couple more examples here, and I want to see if you can just, do the first step especially. All right, so maybe pause the video and try them, and then unpause to check your answers. All right, so the first one, we're going to take whatever is inside of here and set it equal to both plus or minus the value on the other side. So it can be either positive 5 or negative 5. And then if I minus 2 here, I get 3. Minus 2 here, I get negative 7. And if we're not sure, you can always check, right? So if I put negative 7 for x as an example, I can say, hey, does that make a true statement? And we'll get the absolute value of negative 5, and that should equal regular 5, so we can kind of see that this answer is right. Okay, and we can do the same thing with the 3 if you really want, put it in and check, but you'd see that it's right. All right, again, if you haven't tried it, pause the video and try this one now and see if it makes more sense. Okay, so the short route is to take that and set it equal to positive 7 and negative 7. All right, and then from there, sorry, plus or minus whatever this is, and then just do your steps. Add 3, divide by 2, and then add 3. So this would be negative 4, and then divide by 2, so this would be negative 2. Okay, and that gets you your 2 answers. All right, hope that helps. Again, reach out if it doesn't. We'll figure out something. All right, take care.